So from last 5 to 6 months, pharma industry has to, without break, need to supply the medicines, right? But under the circumstances, there are a lot of challenges the pharma industry has faced, where the new virus is people doesn't have any clear awareness what is the controls, how to decontaminate those. But the pharma industry has to continue to run their activities without to ensure that there is a supply chain is not broke. So there are a lot of challenges have been faced. There is a continuous improvements people have made, right? There are even regulators, to guide the industry, because they even not aware, because the awareness has not come so much on the contamination, decontamination, maintenance controls. So there is a continuous improvement by internal discussions, by looking at this. In some of the cases like FDA, US FDA and the European authorities come out with some guidelines, some requirements recently. What is the controls you have to take, but this is not also very clear because there is no scientific mechanism which came out what should be the decontamination controls we have to make. As Dr. Rangareddy mentioned that in the pharma we all use the clean rooms where the air is continuously circulated. So we have a decontamination process and follows, but unfortunately we are not aware still what is the disinfectant or another contamination controls we have to keep for pharma. So it's a continuous evolving. This is continuously evolving. So only I would like to tell you these are some of the forums which improve the awareness of these decontamination controls. I think and this is one of the good initiative taken by Dr. Rangareddy and others. These initiatives are required. For example, in our industry, we have daily meetings to understand what is more controls we have to give. Same thing in all industries, same thing with regulators, right? So because the scientific evidences have not come out still, right? Still people are struggling to do it. But the pharma industry cannot stop and say, oh no, I can't run it because there is a possibility of contamination. So there are some guidelines came, but they are not still matured. They are still evaluating. So I think these type of firms are required to industry, mainly the pharma industry, where they need immediate actions so that we don't further contaminate the product and send it to the market.